Amazing people. How na day? How you all doing? How they go, they go. Guys. Mona show. May we see whether this network go let us stay do this video. May we see whether this network will let us do this video. I just hope so, guys. All right, my data, I don't know what they do, and they breathe too much, so I believe they don't affect it brain, so you know pick. I for don't even come out since I had to run, go down, go do subscription before they go break. So I hope this subscription let us use. All right, my wife is the Zuzu. I don't know what they do. How na day, breaking news. Make una come see wetin they don't turn Edo cyberspace away with they manage to. All right, una they hear me well, please. If you are hearing me, just say yes, okay? Because right now, right away, I'm using data, so I don't know. Maybe the gang or something. May I just know? If it's okay, please let me know. Let me know by saying hi or hello or anything you know that I will easily read when I will quick see. Now I know say this you now comment and everything. If everything is a post. Guys, Mona can see what they don't turn Edo cyberspace to. Edo cyberspace where we be they manage. Edo cyberspace where we take they do our things. I don't give any here. I'm not still seeing comments. Guys, somebody should drop something. Even if na flower, let me see. If we are together so that we feel continue. Okay, hi. Please, Mona, drop hi or hello. Make I dey see. May I know it's okay. We dey here. A lot is about to be reviewed. I know say na me tell una say yes. Thanks for joining. I cite you, my lady Adams. I cite you. Oh, Saretin, I cite you. Thanks for joining. Please, guys, as you are joining, thumbs up, okay? Mona, they hear me thumbs up, love and like, share this video. Share out to your neighbor because this video, by God's grace, is going to be a one of a kind. All right, God's time. Thanks for joining. Say, Queen, my love. Longest time. No, sir. I don't even know with that, but anyway. Thanks for joining. How na day, Osas? Thanks for joining, my darling. Thanks for joining. Personal person. How na day, oh, guys, share. Una come see wetin they don't turn Edo cyberspace where we dey manage. Make una come see wetin they don't turn her into. Breaking news, guys. Let me break the news to you all. I guess my network is okay. It's fine. Is doing great before he head go turn. Now, my people, for some days, some issue have been trending online about who is the Infinity daughter saga. Yeah, this matter though they trend online. I don't want to hide my voice so that everybody go feel pick points on this video. Guys, recently our sister Asaboro cried out. Yeah, she cried out. He said, "Now the real picture be this." No, not be the man picture be this. But all of una know the man. Yes. All of una know the man. And I'm going to expose that man to you all. Then, una go come no say, now so this man be. Now make the talk say, not all that glinters are gold. No be everything way they glitter, person way they craze, you go look am because say wear suit, you say they normal, whereas he they craze. He said there are two Infinity Saga. Yes, we know. But I'm going to be exposing. Please, mind you, solo is not the Infinity Saga we are talking about. All right? Solo. Mona jo fe menos solo. Okay? He said, Queen, hope no be Saga King style. For those, I don't know if it's Saga King style, but this particular person, I'm going to reveal him to you guys. And una go know. He said, my love, where is his real photo? He did my phone. He fool my phone. He picking picture. The baby mama where he born for her. All those sisters who Asaboro they talk about. He shot him himself. He go reach his brothers. He papa. He mama. All of the picture are with me. I say I get the full cassette. I'm telling you guys. I have the full cassette of this Daughter Saga, Infinity Saga. I be waiting say they call itself. Olori Brukoma, Amo Ale, Rada Oshi, Raskafera. Me even they talk say, Ambrose na Raskafara. Ah, this one. Hey. This one. Na be the president of Raskafara. Hey, Saloboa. Is the first Infinity Saga. We are not talking about solo yet. Solo not the UK. In short, this Infinity Saga where we they talk so, we do something with our sister Asaboro so. He based in Dublin. Listen and listen well, my people. This Infinity Saga where we they talk so, where he do something with Asaboro, where he go play Asaboro 1010, he based in Dublin, a father of a 24 years old girl. Even that girl now self double. Hey, I don't go inside, come back, my people. I tell her say, I go inside, come back. This man, what did they say? People, they live fake life. Ah! God, I beg, oh. Who swear for some men, not all, some men, we don't take for Europe. Who swear, Kai. My people, I hear this man, they talk for voice note, I think. I don't want to shout. Let me lower my voice. Yeah? I even the year that the kuli they do Jarastafara bombo clat Arabona ska. I don't even know say Ambrose game master. Hey. My people, the real what is that they call him? Infinity Daughter. He don't deactivate his account since this matter start. No, he did not deactivate his account. Yes, he just reduced his visibility. My people, the real Infinity Saga where Asaboro do something with, he based in Dublin. He was once in wait, make I check my book. May I check my book again? I don't want to give out wrong info. Let me see. He was once in Belgium. Yes. He was once in Belgium. That his daughter so, where he born so. Now Belgium for born that pikin 24 years ago. Yes. That his daughter so, he born her for Belgium 24 years ago. Even that girl now don't born. That his daughter when he born 24 years ago don't born. Yes, she is a mother of a boy. I get the boy picture. I get the pikin picture. The father general. I know say me they like do things with children. Yes, and they like do something with the pikins. I not to get issue with the Infinity Saga. I not to get issue with the Infinity Saga. You umyo yeni. That his daughter with his grandson. Now all those ones be my issue. Now all those ones be my bonanza for inside. Any me awa violunda na seti gbe ami. Na that his daughter plus his grandson. Now all those ones be my goose. Because and they tell una where they use fake account say, be careful. A Google the typewriter. They not say person, no they support person. But not support person to the stage of you are ready to cry somebody. Don't do that. This man where they call daughter Infinity Saga has committed a lot of havoc on Edo cyberspace. He is a failed musician, my people. Now, musician will fail. He no blow. When they say people, they do Jarastafara. Now, he be the original Jarastafara. You don't measure Father Waiting. Which Father Waiting? Do you know how many Father General will get? Do you know how many Father General will get? Father General na person name. You know how many we have. You don't know how many Infinity Saga we get. I just speak up from comment section. Now somebody they write and say the man name na Father General. I be you blind. Can't you see for the comment section? Are you mad or something? I be now you be that. You don't come. If you don't come, you see that your pikin so when you born for Dublin. You they live for Dublin. Pikin when you born, when you don't live for Benjo. Here is a moe. Here is a bear. Here is a stretcher. Here is a valor your womb. You self go no say. Fake account they trace her. Yes. What's going to war say the matter won't explode. Fake account they trace her. This your fake account, don't talk whatever. Your IP, they go carry and they go trace you. We go no get this fake account. Now you still get Infinity Saga and Millie J. Now you get time. You are a disgrace to a domain. How can you, my people? Asaboro say the man black na layo. Na layo. Asaboro was still trying to cover up for the man because he don't leak. Asaboro was still trying. The man a fair man. You understand? He said, how musician can't be daughter? I said he was a failed musician. Failed one. This one not even get one music where they successful. Now if he just more Morocco finish, he go your come outside. Jarastafere. I say Ambrose good, my people. Ambrose good. When I hear this man talk, Ambrose, you your Nana know where Ambrose will learn Jarastraporobus Kramas cross Kravara. So if they don't take for Europe, you are Jamie. Not all. My people, Ambrose good. If I play this man voice for you, if I play this man voice for you, una go faint. In short, laugh go kill una. Now let's go straight to the point. He said, Queen, I don't believe you. Thank you, my lady. You know, say, I tell you, I said, no, yesterday, for yesterday. I told you guys. I said, with only the info where me don't hear, even if Asaboro like make it hide the man inside Nyash. If I won't bring him out, I go bring him out. Yes. This is our, now we get this space. Now we get this space. Now we they talk who go hide here and who go come out. And you know, he join. You understand? The man is Now man with 300 face. Yes. He say, hey, nah, and now he a musician before. People they way know. I know say people know. I know say people know. This man have been living a 30-face life with people. This man have been living a fake life with people. No, the man fair. My lady, Mama Chelsea, the man is a fair man. He fair right from birth. He fair, he not black. Yes, I say you know. If you know, you go know say na fair man. He won't be like Kenya. All those have been wafi. Now he won't be like. He fair. I have everything when I dey talk. Everything. He say, who is okay? One say, is it important that we not fish one? You know why we not fish show your face? You know why we as me don't talk and so people don't know. People know why they talk, and I never even talk finish. Before I end up this video, people will know him and know the havoc this man have committed on Edo cyberspace. He say the man there wawa nada silver musician brother. Really? Wala Monica. Bila say you just enter class. You just enter class. Your update the is strong. You understand? So my people, this Infinity Saga daughter so I get the picture. Don't worry about picture for my phone. Where worry the one where you see get here? We are only get biscuit here. Me picture everything day, record or everything, everywhere soft. And I will tell you now I tell you asaboro. My people, this man so whether they call daughter Infinity Saga so he get 30 face. This man wicked. Whether they say people wicked, this man wicked. This man a failed musician, my people. But you no fit go any show where you know see him there. He claims saying he they support musician based on a failed musician. He they try to they mingle with musicians. Meanwhile, I get the piece. You share your own that side, mama. Me, I don't need the piece again. I know her. You don't first the suspect. Una they get me. Please, guys, they flag this video. Mona me share. I want to see shares on this video. You get why? I want to see shares. And all the women where they here now. But before I will end this video, I want to go begin the comment section. They lay cost on this Infinity Daughter Saga head. You get why? My people, this failed musician so whether they call Infinity Saga, where call become fake daughter, who even know whether the daughter, the so-called daughter, where say be na fake life own. Thanks for joining Mama's Excellence. Who know whether na fake life own? Una they get me so. This man, he said it should be 54 or 53 years. You know her well. Wala Monica, you day class. You know everything. You self na isti na coco. So guys, let me go straight to the point, okay? Make I just go straight. Now, guys, for some time, when I see all the trending gossip about our sister Asaboro, how she do mistake, go for victim for this Infinity Saga. I believe Asaboro meet her for show because the man they always go show. He's a failed musician. Anywhere you hear say party day, people they come. This one day, food day, rice day. I gotta take away. This man go. He get this daughter Infinity Saga. A rubber bag or ya reziku here. And una know say Asaboro also now somebody way like to support Edo people. She dey like to go dance well. So I believe that was how they met. Because she no know say this honorable man, so where she think where they snap pictures with all Edo indiges, all great men are thinking about Edo states. She no know say this man na Ewiagbuzi. This man na ambassador of fake life. This man na unokiro no jilawa. Na ipe asaboro no. Based on this man saw the dispute between Asaboro and Monica online, he decided to play along with Asaboro with one mission to submit Ototo of Asaboro. This man started dating our sister Asaboro. He make Asaboro fall in love. At the end, he starts to use Asaboro to do caricature. He start to do Asaboro caricature. He start to use that to they play emotional dancers. He start to they give Asaboro emotional torture. Asaboro too can't start to they do. I won't find this. She can't find out say the man where she go fall in love with na be the Okagbe of Monica camp. Na be the Babagbe of Monica camp. I'm fine, my lady priceless. I'm fine. Thanks for joining. Please, guys, won't let me thumbs up this video because this is really bad. This thing where this man do so is really bad. According to wetin I dey see, I believe this man gets Asaboro nakedness. And Asaboro is being blackmailed with it. Yes. The major reason Asaboro deactivated her account. The major reason she deactivates her account because the stress is too much. She not believe say she go there, the thing go happen like this. The man lied to Asaboro say in the base, though UK and Ireland is the same thing. Yeah? UK and Ireland is the same thing. Or Ireland, wait till they call it, is it Ireland or Ireland? Yeah? They're not far from each other. They're 1 hour from each other. The man based, where the man they live, is doubling. This man have been playing with Asaboro emotions. Yes, I'm very sure of this narrative. If they say that, and although these people, they are fake to the extent they can fake anything. I'm telling you guys the truth. And nothing but the truth. Somebody say, you people should be very careful. You no get how you wanted dey careful reach, my person. This life where we dey so is deep. How can a father, a man of 53 years old, be a slave to a woman who not finish primary school? How? Okay, now Ireland, Ireland, okay. Una they get the test of joining, my lady, if you know what. How can, okay, imagine say a 53 years old man toast you as a single girl. Wait, be say you say don't still they may be your late 30s. Will you have it in your mind that this man is coming to play tricks with you? A single man at 53. Only one daughter now he get with one grandson. Will you think this man is coming to your life for gambling? Your mind no go even reason now, because you'll be like, oh, this man really need all the love and attention where he need to get, because Eric Bofiangu, he don't the old. That was why Asaboro opened up to this man. Asaboro never for once think this man was the infinity saga of Monica. She never knew. She only realized that when the relationship don't solve. Una they get me. Please, I want to ask one question. As Asaboro see this man once, or is just by phone? Why you say they never see? Now so you be small picking. Are you a learner? Are you a learner? Before woman start to come outside to fight for man, so you don't know say things don't go down. Of course they don't see. Now the same place they there for there. Before man they introduce woman to his family, to his member, to it, they never do something. You be small picking, or if they do something, you want them to come and tell you say they do something. So you know, feel it the other territory on the wall. Thanks for joining my lady Felicia John. Why am I raising alarm on this issue? This is very bad of this Edo man. See wetin Edo man they do to young Edo sister. If Asaboro go marry Gambiana or Senegal or Ivory Coast, Edo men with some go studio, go sing music. Some go on platform to condemn an act of why you not marry Bini, why you not marry Bini. If a 53 years old Edo man well know can bring himself so low to play with an innocent girl like Asaboro. Okay, mama, put the comment again. Let me see again. Please, if you drop comments, I know see, maybe fly past. So you put it again. Let me see. Una they get me. If a 53 years old man go still there in the line of Yahoo, a father, for that matter, where you get picking, my brother, Daughter Infinity Saga, not saying that the fake name where you give yourself, but you know yourself. The reason why you are so toxic and bitter is because at your 53 years old, you still dey single for house with no women. You dey jump from one woman to another. No, present her where you never knock. I'm not talking about the equate where they inside though. I'm talking about. He said the man na robo. Who robo? Who dash the man robo? Which man be robo? I don't say I'm not talking about solo. Which of the man be robo? The Infinity Daughter Saga that I'm talking about is Edo man. Oviedo Pataki. From a family where everybody know for Benin, where we say, if you want to drag them, you go beat them. A family no me, oh yeah. Family will say, if you won't beat them, you will see better thing. Oh, they drag them, below them, beat them where. Now this man for come. I don't know why grown up men like this go there. Ayoyowa. No, they know before. Na Binima. Yes, I know na Binima. I know it's a Binima. Nobody, me go give una the re-update. Nobody go, na me they give una the re-update. And as I tell you, na so it be. No we ye kaka. Who did this shoe? I be who dey waiting here. Who he know his hair. Even as I not call his name now, he know say na here they talk to. He based in Dublin. Failed musician. A musician of Bukbangolo. A jarasta fere or what he's a lobo. If una hear the way they talk, the way they talk, now that one annoy me pass. Like, you go say, me not daddy kuli oh evil good. That is una need to hear this man voice if he talk. Even the popcorn, all those ones they are all good. All those Jamaica slang, all those are all good. If this man speak Jamaica for una for ye, no be saying that the real Jamaica, Igbo Jamaica. My people, things they happen. He said, let her go drop in picture. Okay, people, where they here go see, go look. If they feel like they want just know, I have my reasons why I don't bring the picture come. Because I want them to come and say, not be that one. It can't be Urobo because if they write comment with Bini. Yes, ma. I say this one where with the talk. So it's from a family where all of us know it. He's a failed musician based in Dublin. Ede awag bejara stafere or wa dole li do here or wa mwesuit okpa a coat and coat 16 shoulder parts suit or wa mujo. This man is a big time blackmailer. And the reason why Asaboro is so scared of this man is that a fake life, who pangale fake life where this man open for Asaboro not be here. The fake life. And the man claim in the fight Facebook bully. They say, he get one period where that man go to say, if they go Facebook office, he want go report Facebook bully. Now lie yo. He even say he get with his solicitor 2023. My people, till now, nobody don't go station for the report where this man go make. This man are original or pata of fake life. This man, if una want see the man, make una go check. Okay, I don't know so na do they know. Say, how you, I'm fine, my lady. My people, this man ambassador, CEO of fake life. Maybe not be even done. I say, the shoulder part where this man they wear. The shoulder part where this man they wear. You know those olden days suits, all those, not even suits, all those sumo. Make I re-pull my this yo. I don't feel it here. Make I pull my chiffon top when I wear. My people, una they see all those olden days 50-50. He said he is a daughter. Okay, if he be say later I can't go school. That one wait, how they'll go give that one daughter? Only a budget show your one some woman, my people. If that one puts needle for person only son, woman. If you see the man with suits, hey, I say now 100 shoulder part, all those suits where they put foam, you put foam for the two shoulder, go come high. Now the man they wear. Okay, he say he's not a daughter. If it be according to but I don't know. Now the one way me you know. Let me they tell una so say this man filled Asaboro with lies. He put fear for Asaboro body to the extent Asaboro called the fear say I don't want me something do my papa oh. I don't want me something do me oh. I don't want me they come by me oh. I know Asaboro. What it don't happen is on social media. As you did so. If you shit, you not shit where? We know people where we go home. If you sleep, you not sleep where? We know people where we go ask, say where you. You get platform. You not feel use your platform, defend yourself and fight your justice. You dey, okay, now somebody else go come fight your justice for you. For you to put out waiting they go on indoor outside so that if anything should happen. You see Mohbad, people say they seek injustice. Mohbad, the way don't buy tele. People still they do injustice. That Bangolo has way built for Lagos. Wait, say na Lagos. Who even know whether that house na Lagos? Who know? After this man, I been in Europe for almost 26 years. For Europe, my people. Nothing where he achieve. A failed musician. This man, no, they use the year where they share party rice. He did here. If you hear all those Edo Music Festival and award, he did here. No we in hanging. No we in haka. No yet bo rezele le party na manati e hiya okya le dobli magwa yokwo yo wa mighty. You follow everywhere now. You can say na your Edo sister. As Asaboro innocent rich. Una wasaboro ubi ayak betete ne Monica. Now you the form say if anybody should bring your shut up your mouth, may you shut up. Shut up your dirty stupid mouth. Who you be safe by the way? A useless human trafficker like you, a failed musician, failed daughter, everything you fail. You end up being a blogger. Even marriage, they say woman of 10 years, they see woman of even 20 years old, you do not feel married. Or Bonnie Sanda. I put it to you now, Doctor Infinity Saga Fonica. You be a Bonnie Sanda. Show your real identity to Wagon. You be a Bonnie Sanda. That's why you with that the Kulukulu na close. Because who know whether una they do row your boat. Wanik better than Webona. I mean what you. Who want you? Why so not be all? Who want you? Yes, ma. He said, my lady, you really be private investigator. Me, I tell her, if I won't do this thing, I go bring her that man come out. He say I not get time. As soon as they claim, say he go school, he not go one school, the nonsense English where they speak, and the say go school. They score women no show, a rascaforo English, that one at school. The man are Bonisan. The reason why he not feel whole woman for almost how many years? Only one picking born. Why not born another one? Why not marry? Not say woman. If he get money, we may they like where money they where I never see woman. Why I never see woman? The reason why the man like investor is because of Epa Eddie. Yes, I will tell you guys now. No this and no peace. The reason why he like investor, the reason why he like to pull up for investor is because of Epa Eddie. I tell him, I said, the man is a failed musician. You know, they use a year anything musician. E dio si lekbo le liere ya kian. Ifo ma ore liere ya yo bo. Wa ya san we wa kieku. Ove de odo kiago. Say ro ya bot. No, not truth. I'm not the joke. This thing will happen to Asaboro, so it can happen to me. If it happen to you, if it happen to my children, those who don't get baby children, this thing not called for now. How can a 53 years old man be doing this to our innocent Edo sisters and for desperate brothers? And go see the way this man they bully people for a platform. For outside, he go use the real name, then they follow you, they do friend. But once he go this Infinity Saga, he'll go they bully you for there. He will go they bully you for there. 53 years old man, Dara Safara. Where my issue my name Dioma. Now so you want to live your life? You see get like Asaboro where you feel put for house. Where you feel put for house. May it born for you. Can whether you can you won't use that to play theater because of Monica, because things wanna share is too much. Who were bonisa? Yes, I know if he measure the man wanna get at the bonisa, but I know say you the bonisa. If that time you see come, see talk and say, I'll prove that to you say you the bonisa. I see you for that bonisa party where you go. Then send me the picture of bonisa party where you go. Who were bonus and that's why you know if you take any woman serious. You ready to sell girls out. You sell them for cheap peanuts. All these women now where come down a camp. Now you that they say go you go from say you want marry them. Whereas you go there, you go bring their pekus. You are not really going to marry. You be Ogbonisan. Your real identity for real life is Ogbonisan. To Bonisan. Why will you do that? You get pikin. If they do you, how will you feel? Mr. Man, fed musician. How will you feel if they do your daughter? Are you not a grand? How you go feel now? Say I put your pikin picture, your grand pikin picture for you. Yeah, in a period you wole mu your we plaza egina. If you be me, the name we boy mu be. If mu ahe mu your hun. Because now wish you na shop now. If say now alone na shop the wish. Now where you there you deny you know your tempo na be your tempo. You don't know John another person there. And as Zendan social media we dey come here, we go cash phone. Greet our adult brothers and sisters. Also, where Monica be one day one here, came your way. Now, single girl not even keep herself. At the end, she may meet better person. Single girl cannot keep herself at the end, may meet better person because of people like you. A 53 years old man. Going from one party to another, they look for women. You know they go that party because after if you go party, you know they spray. Iko boy gwe, ekmeni gwe, a fake life with you. I've never seen you in a party where they boss money, they spray. Error. Why jiku ya le yekaga? Why jiku uya le yekaga? Why egbe wedding no guyani that your body wasting the way they see me? Do they use and gum innocent edo me? No wonder you don't have woman. You don't get now Bonisan be by nature. In real identities of Bonisan. Eh? When are you going to stop all this nonsense you are doing? Thanks for joining my lady Naomi. Eh? When are you going to stop all this? Why you not pity Asaboro? This Asaboro is a single girl. Do you think it's easy to live as a single? She go think her house rent, her light bill, her food stuff, everything. Family still their house. After everything where this girl don't go through for this Europe. Boy in the hands of madam, in the hands of black boys, everything. Now she give herself long gap to say, let me keep myself for a very long time. Asaboro keep herself for a very long time. Now she's constantly go jam you. Where be your Bonisan? 53 years old man. We no get sense at all. Your own Jara Safara. He pass Monica husband home. You no even pity and say, don't tell where this girl, the people, they laugh herself on media. Now so that they laugh us. Go and marry, go and marry, go and marry, go and marry. You no even pity and say, people will laugh her. Look at the way people, they laugh at Saborona. Why? Because they talk say at her age, she come online, call they talk, but that for me no, was say, it not be her fault. Not be her fault. You make her trust you. You make her believe you. You make her think, okay, you can protect her. At the end, what till you do her? Is that not wickedness, this man? What till you do as a borrow go put to your children? And your children, your born children. Eh? According to what I hear, they say go invest for party. Though invest for video, I never go watch her. In I only when I go watch her, I see and I feel also okay, yes, he go. But this one when me they talk, so the person, this Infinity Saga of Bonisan when me they talk, so he based in Dublin. Now Dublin they live for Ireland. Now Ireland is there for UK that way that side. Now he there, now be the man where Asaboro date. He not black, he fair. He's a fake musician. If you know where you go, no say now musician. Wait, they put bangolo. He not even blow. He not blow. Nonsense man at your age. At your age. Asaboro no. Thank you for the star, my lady Naomi. God bless you. Thank you for the star. For my lady, if you know what we say, after all this identity, what Asaboro no. If you see this man, my single ladies where they are here, especially those who like sugar daddy, if you see this man pull up, he toast you, you go for. I they tell you. If you see this man, if this man pull up for you, for maybe they waka they go, this man just pull up like he just drive your park for your front, you understand? You even see this man, he toast you, you go agree. You go agree because the man looks so innocent. Like, if he there outside, he looks so innocent. Like, you even say, that is why he get one book when I read. He get one book when I read. That book, he talk about people eyes. Eye bulb, different eye bulb. How you fit use eye bulb identify somebody. Yes. With only person eye, you go know go fit by person. With person eye bulb, you go know go fit thief. You with person eye bulb, you go know who they lie. That is why you see, say, if you go court, if you get case, you go court, you the judge, they ask you question. You go they talk. Who go they monitor your eye bulb, go just there somewhere. If you your eye one room, you go just there. Now your eye bulb, now they watch. Through your eye bulb, they go detect whether you be thief, who anything. Now small they will contain add body language. When the doctor say you are guilty of this thing. Now so Oyibo the judge case. Eye bulb. When you see this man eye bulb, you know say ekwesun na ibi. Now only in eye bulb you go tell no say this eye bulb is terrible. But you see from all his body where he do body like woman, whether he said go the dream medicine, may take to woman gonna body sign be. Not true, he's very smart guy. Yes, but he get bad side. You understand? If you see how he body, he do body like woman. He body me poko. Now he be the real leg there where they say those cyber space. Now he be the real leg there where they this cyber space. If you see the man, if even be a brother for your party, you not going to believe say this man. If he kick cockroach. That's beyond. Now he be the infinity, daughter infinity saga for Monica. Now, this man has come and joined hand with Monica to destroy all Edo people. They have been coming from a very long way. They try to thank you, Mama, for the star, but sister, and thank you, my lady. God bless you. Mama Naomi, thank you, Mama. This man has been supporting Monica for a very long time. Okay. Now, yes, okay. Thank you. Somebody don't write the name of people. iBob. That's why they say read people. They read people. Only iBob you can detect somebody full life. Now they get what they try to tell us so. This man have been supporting Monica to bring down a lot of Edo people. I know they do this video now say, Monica, you they bring down people, this. But why will this man support Monica? Why? You be a dumb man. And if they work out with all these people, is it the musician? Is it all musician? This man, they always go all shows. He claims saying they support musicians, but if they go there, go they pick their information. He go they pick their details. He go they blackmail them with Monica. Now, as they go those shows, if they go they meet thick women for this Europe, where you no say now he did that account. Where they go see for road, say, oh, see better person. Thick women for party, now they go they toast. Now they use they do victim. If they victimize Edo innocent people. My people, while they are more bog, because I talk and say, even if Asaboro bring you out, or he not bring you out, we go still know you. Yes. We go still know you. It's a behavioral physiologist. Okay, now be the name of that. I work judge till they cash thief. Cash a lot of women are in this group. A lot of people did this man heart. Now if they go the back things they give Monica. If this man job not to go the blackmail women they come, he will give Monica. Monica will pay and put. Now job be that. So now the only man when Monica they post for her page. I don't know say many of you know the man self. I don't know so now know the man. Una they get me. The man job not to go party. They close to the society. Me go with the society as a real human being. Pick information from those people. Pick, you know, if any woman you see they available for that is where una they see and say they go they talk say you where you come my party you piece of bed. You where you come. Imagine you invite this kind of man come your party. He can't jam woman where no say yes. They will teach say they don't jam responsible man where no get wife. Maybe if he had bought them for white house as a husband, the man na go begin, they knock them, video, they do everything. At the end, you go sell those information to Monica. Monica now will not be using this information to blackmail those people based on how she did online. This is how she was able to build her name, Monica, on those cyberspace, my people. Monica built her name out of tears of innocent Edo citizens. Monica built her page out of tears of a women with the blackmail. Men with them blackmail. If you hear that thing, go say, this one not be your husband, boy, your pikin. Your pikin, you need to go do DNA. You go, yeah, this one, your Ekia there with me. I go share her. Papa Wala, your name is there with me. I go post her. This one there with me. I go share her. Monica Bayoware, how did she get all those things? Through this daughter infinity saga. Now your job you'll be that. Silent down. Silent down. You know, say if person to do something, he must leak. He must leak. This man so when you leak so. Ote ya finya wunu, he don't lose all the respect where they get from Edo people. Yes, that's why I tell you guys, say, share this video. Let this video go viral. Make them come see one man, Edo man, 53 years old, based in Dublin. Failed musician, where no blow. Self-acclaimed daughter. This one a Edo person. May una can see how it take the blackmail Edo people. Make una can see how this man take the race, they bring down Edo people. Make una can see how this man take they terrorize the innocent. They threaten them. Ha! Uga gwai wa ya gberawa. If not be a bat where God go bless, where still bring that other one, audio come outside. Wait till they collect money, they scam people for visa, where not do. At the end, you go they threaten them. I will tell you, if you first see my name on social media, I'm going to buy you. I'm going to arrest you. I'm going to DISGUAGUA you. I'm going to. Why do we have these people in Edo states? Every day we need down, they pray God. Let our country be better. Let our state be better. Let Edo be a better place. With all this type of men, how Edo go to become a better place, my people? Make una tell me. How Edo go fit become a better place? Now, see what they do Asaboro now. They play Asaboro. Record Asaboro Bekus. Do Asaboro waiting, they go do Asaboro. They still threatening her to the extent. Asaboro now, no know when she take deactivate her account. How are we sure that Asaboro is fine now? How are we sure she's safe now? How we go tell no na Asaboro still they breathe? How will tell no what Asaboro they pass through now from the hand of this player, 53 years old man, where even still get daughter, Where be say if they break, he go even say, Asaboro, you don't eat. We all know say Asaboro no they do saga. No be say she no they do, but no be like that. Now once, if matter you still go, she just sit up put now. What all of us they do. Me too, now so we they do. Issue they grant like this Asaboro now, because the reason why I really get interest on this Asaboro, I will not want any man. If there is other men out there, we are not safe. Even me, I'm not safe because I never marry. This thing where I put to Asaboro can happen to me tomorrow, and I reject it. And the man that will try that will be me. Your love no fit cash me say I go come they look you. I will come say I will not talk. Me. If I know if you go tear your man slap for us, me scatter my house, you know so be bomb bastard. For Batty to happen, go for me. I felt a craze. I craze for living. Don't even go there. I will not offend you, but don't try me. If we do, we do. We not sweet us. We say we not do again. Everybody move ahead. Oh yeah, move and move. Say you won't go tire. You won't go. They tell me say, shh. If you talk, if you move, if you bend, matter. Hey, even though you put gun for my head, self, you also quick me even do what I want to. Talk less of fake useless man. 53 years old man where be say everything about her is fake. My people, please, which year Monica say she buy Vela? I want open another secret for una. Which year? Please, who feel remember the year when Monica say she buy Vela? That baby Vela. Who feel remember that year? When the year when Monica say she buy Vela? Please, if you remember, please drop it on comment section. I want to tell my something, another thing. Guys, I'm waiting. Who remember? Who remember? My late 2022. Okay, more people should continue. Make more people still there. More people, please. I need more comments. Which year Monica buy Vela? Guys, I'm waiting. Which year Monica buy Vela? Mona write the year. I want reveal something to una. I want let una know something. Okay, and that person 2022. Okay. Do you know that? Do you guys know that Vela so when Monica they drive na fake among them? Na fake among them. Thanks for joining. Epa Eddie, thanks for joining the video. You see that Vela, not be only Monica they use am. Even this Infinity Saga daughter, see they use and they post fake life for another side. They form say he just buy Vela. He just post with that same Monica Vela. He say he don't buy Vela. So my people, our question is, who is the owner of the Vela? Ye fake life wow. Since I was born, I don't know say people like this exist. I don't know say people like this they exist. This Infinity Saga also they use that same Vela. They fake in life they go. Say he buy Vela, he snap with the Vela. If they do video inside Vela, they video the Vela and I say, he buy Vela. My people, only one single Vela. Now they get among all of them where they take the snap picture. The day when Infinity go see can I go Monica house and Monica will yam a picture. I just post my Vela. They say I not get Vela. Hey. My Vela, I want to wash the tire. My Vela, the louvers. Or wabe mu yoto Infinity Saga wabe mu. Infinity Saga will just see mu chilling with my Vela. Chilling with my Vela. He said, Now Monica name she take get Vela on credit. Okay. They'll just see post some. My lady say, oh, Queen, you don't start since I don't know. Yes, so my lady, I don't start. I ain't my baba. Una no ask my matter bio. I'm also me. I never talk finish. I never even start to the talk. These two infinity daughter saga so and Monica will be deceiving people with one single vela. Our question is who gets the vela? We need to ask these two people. We need to ask these two people who is the real owner of vela. Because I know Infinity Saga go still they use that same vela. They blackmail people, they go. If you get mission, Monica fit give her key, say drive and go, make she think say you get money. Kai! Why most Edo men not just be like Abat? Why they not? I know say Abat is a politician, not the president here, I know they don't have for him. Or some few other Edo men will be say yes. They always see any Edo girl as their sisters. Why do we have men like this where we say, now they go hurt you, now they go betray you, now they go still shut you up, now they go threaten you with your family? These people constructed fake life. They will just sit down, plan waiting they go do. When something is going on this media, this Infinity Saga, 53 years old man, Nekiro Wogbe, aka Ogbonisa Infinity Saga, aka failed musician, no Yerobaba Gireziku here. People should be careful from you and start running from you. If you like, or if they like, may they say, Queen, what you said, now they know. You are going to blackmail them with what you know about them. Now you, they go close to all these big musicians. All those Eru Wala, now you, they go close to them. Now you, they go, they pick. Now so this girl born for them. Woman born for them for outside. Now so another one born for them for here. Now so they give this one belly. Now so they carry guests on Europe. Now you, they pick those information. And once you pick those information, what you they use and do, you start to use it to blackmail them. You will go give Monica. Then go come they imagine say, how Monica tell they know all these things. E Monica ga ilaje onya kon da debe na ewe ni moto gbe. Na know me. And whereas now you this man. Now you they run all this race for Monica. Why are you doing this to your Edo citizens? Why? If people, if you see all those your sisters, where just be like a lady like you, they are all going to fall out. Your family, go reach your papa. Go reach your papa. We go saga your pa. We go saga your pa. And as with the saga una, we go tag this your account join up. We not be small picking, we not be mumu. We know what we are doing and we know what we are saying. If you say not be you, even though we go court, go anywhere, say government, say why would they saga you? We go let them know, say, we go let them know, say, you they on that fake account, you have been bullying innocent Edo citizens. Will not do you and your family anything for a very long time. If you say not be you get this account, once the case done the hot, government will trace this account. They will, it is a town crier, okay. They will make sure they go into details and trace the iCloud or IP or whatever of this account. Even Facebook know who gets this account. By the time it don't the hot, government or police or anything, they will ask Facebook who gets this account. Where is this account coming from? Go reach where you for create them. They will ask. They will ask. Because Mamadi waka, Mamadi wa already. Monica, where you claim say you dey fight for, before you and Monica enter Edo cyberspace, we have been existing. People don't they do video since? And Monica we do right, mama. The setting of media, you talk your own, I talk my own. No carry and pass there. You talk your own, I talk my own. No carry and pass there. But you people started bringing out families. If they talk, say, where they for start or they bring papa, mama, children come out for this media, it started from Monica platform. Yes. Where they bring husband, papa, mama, children, why? It started from Monica platform. As a part the more we do saga for this media, a part no they bring people, family come outside. He say, peace don't fall out. He go collect. If he papa self go collect, he brother, sister, children, uncle, auntie, all of them go collect. How dare you? Who goes you? Who born you to come on Edo cyberspace? You know, say make you open your eye, look, may you get at us. You started tormenting innocent Edo people. I dare you, that man now, when me they talk to so, come swear, if not be you date Asaboro. Come go swear. The pain Asaboro is passing through right now, the reason why Asaboro now they deactivate your accounts. Doctor Infinity Saga, when me they talk to so, where they double. Come swear, say not be you. Do something with Asaboro. Why will you do that to your adult girl? If not be because of say you can't use less for Europe, you not reach to bomb pikin where grow reach Asaboro. According to your information now, your profile now, you get grand pikin son. Why will you do that to adult people? Waiting will do you. Monica wanted to be on top of everybody. She won't do things where other people know they do. She started bringing out people's family, people, parents, audios of people, nakedness of innocent people. Monica started bringing them out. Just why? She won't do things where other presenters know they do. She won't do things where other people know they do. She won't do them the way others know they do them. Infinity Saga, you saw that. You not call her to order, say, my sister, this thing you are taking it too far. Don't forget, these people we are all Edos. Okay, say Monica, they watch this video. May she watch her. She should be ashamed of herself. She should be ashamed of herself. Monica, watch her. The highest thing you can do to me is to carry my nyash and gum on your platform, which I not go come see. Waiting with the fine for Sokoto, he dey for Toronto. Waiting with the fine, they go Abenigo, he dey for Suleiman Junction. My dear dog, your own is too much. Your own is too much. You, before you come this Edo cyberspace, you meet people here. Since when me did this Edo, I've never tell anybody I can't go call. I don't ever hear for this Edo cyberspace say me call somebody family. Say I'll just they say me and you get saga, I'll just carry phone. I'll call your family, call go the recording, or call go the tell them this, or call go the do that. No. My own be say, if you just go family side, now me be FBI. If I don't want to talk, I'll leave you say there's war. If I go deeper on you, I go deeper in you. I will just give me 2 hours. Everything I need to know about, I'll just know once. I don't need to do stress. Social media, you tell me, I tell you. Monica, pack this your let the family of this daughter enter house before he papa mama start today. This one not be say go, guys, don't let this man threaten you. Now fake life. Yes. This man threatening is a fake life. Obama we saw it. You know, yes, say when Asabroto say the chair way back credit. Chair way back credit, he never go pay. I think I see video where he said he was going to before the party. I don't know that you understand. Me not call person name now. Maybe Monica na go contact who are the turtle. Or even in Papa go contact who are the turtle. They know their self. They know their self. And they know say this thing he go leak. And he go leak, he must leak. And he don't leak. I told you guys, even if Asabro talk, he not talk. With waiting, even few things where she, even me looking at her eyeball, but I don't know who she they talk to. I tell Nana, I say I know person where she they talk. He said, even though Eko better put your nyash for a platform, she knows say you too clean and beautiful person. Yes, so me say that. Nana me okon they say Monica, they put my picture, I'll come they cry. Person where be say she come and do people life to destroy. Person be say crime when she don't commit, I never do have. My honor to analyze. My honor to analyze. Una see and I don't like injustice. How can a man, Edo man, do this kind of thing to her Edo sister, to your Edo sister? Why you go do her? What is Asaboro do now? Now so na go see do one, then na go send cripple make come friend me. Eh? The main reason as a presenter I remove I from media relationship. If you want date man, just patient. Take your time. More than study yourself. Know the man well. Make sure he's not connected to any presenter. Even if you want date man from online, make sure he's not connected to any presenter. See how far the man they support you. See how the man they open up to you before you go say okay. Not be man una no go know her. Una no go know anything about her. Una no go know whether they don't fair born. Whether they are pardon or whether they go this or no, don't know now. You're jumping to relationship. Why are you guys fast forwarding like that? So please, my people out there, don't let this man threaten you. Don't let her threaten you. Say, hey, my bishop, if, see, Dr. Infinity Saga, if you come out to say that kind of thing, Ogunisi don't have boy. Agagwa be you wa. You know what's your children will reap what you did to Asaboro. Except Asaboro or Kuro no subowe. A stupid rascafara like you. You crazy human trafficking, a bit trafficker. See your life. 53 years old shameless man of the papas. As you fat like pig. See una life now. Now want to be on top of everybody on this media. Social media, all of us put one leg. Why we talena lava also why be wana mwenya wana got the bad society. Wana got the bad media. So social media now they don't turn out to society. Una never notice. Society group A they one side. Society group B they one side. Society group C they one side. Aike wate emikere. Okay, say that Siva na brother. Why worry? Emi ya vele la dian. This one are with evidence and proof. With evidence and proof. You go cast up when I say ask your bobo. Asaboro they tell na say mona not do me oh. Mona not do me like this or get the way my head take dey una not here. Give me no Asaboro gi survey you like be enya. See una life. Guys, I'm coming. Let me take this call. Hello, my lady. Costa, enyo manana. We ma we. Yija. Oma iya akamu la diane, but Monica na succeed, na confuse agboya. Iyana ye solo confuse agbo ya vege ni. No, yes, no send the gumeni nu. Yes, you know. Okay. Nyeno. Wa gbe. Efe kakanti ni no win yari azenige iyen gwen efe kakanti ni aha eri ima ya wa be la fe kakan family picture ravije ma ya we dp ugbele da ma gbe ma le ka mi yen wi ma gwa lo efe kakanti ugbele na gboji agbe page me screen record the page again in case on deactivated which is this daughter name me me screen record the ka kenyo we anya infinity emily j yo we nya account ni so screen record the ya in case on deactivated maybe awon avene ni auto ave you know etin yen we je school ave lo enwe school ne eraska fara ma je school pa emi ro pa go gbe we no ebe ne e centro dan e centro no. Yeah. Egene mana egene we inyana do we ono do infinity inyana do ye solo ya cover e solo ya block agboye na iwa ati solo whereas e solo was also another one nyowa Eddie me raska fara jaraska de nemi igbobian nyega no oma yeah. Okay, my lady, what's it? Ima gionwa amu dana ven wana we vene obedo atokbe oba oima edi agbe ori orun o ga leru wena e ma infinity daughter sagana wena wati when agbon ya try Nedonia a better place for us to live. When I want your tunwere ovie do when we and when yasa boro we get as a big position e wo ke mi winner mi ge ba no support otun when I we de no gayu wa ga saboro wo single e ma no pa masiko asaboro nyon paro ave lady ni re UK ni lega wa ka hule ni kwa yo egbere ne when I okay what to do now she's vulnerable wana livani wana ya blackmail wana ya view e picture epeku se ni ya wana ya view now this man asaboro go fall in love with so now be this man where dey background the man is already everywhere una know the man una know the man now they get me so una just know the man. Now be the daughter Infinity Saga. Now be the daughter Infinity Saga. Mona consiweti edo they do edo. Make una consiweti edo man they do edo sister like edo fellow edo sister. If you go marry outside and now Bini may go use max take go you. They go use max take go you. But now look at what we all are getting. Marry your Bini manner at your own risk. Friend your own fellow Bini manner at your own risk. My people will not go feel let and be like that because not be everybody gets strength or like to go outside, go marry foreigner. But you see all these Edo men now where they make, he is a taxi driver in Ireland. Okay, somebody say na taxi driver. Okay, iwe aha miotoe. Ravije a family ore ta han vieya la dia han gbiyan. Yes, me I not strange again. Every day they pack my family, they come and they be there. Any dian wa this on me, this on me. You see the social media I paye. Salobuwa me. E social media imena. Iya go maku. Even though a police case, so any case come up, anything, I'm ready to defend myself because this man I be bullying innocent Edo citizens. Police go investigate. Now you friend Asaboro, I be no be you friend Asaboro. Did that Asaboro call you Infinity Saga or you not call it Infinity Saga? You don't know the police, they ask question. You are crazy. Say you go school. Ah, wabera. Ogun bera. You dey mad. You think say any church for you? You dey crazy. You go there and say you school my waste. Forget say maybe I just dey die sometimes. I'll just close one eye. They look. You dey mad. You not book rich myself, Papa. You the Infinity kia no why so and not be even solo. Solo like your monure. You this one, daughter, a taxi driver for Ireland. Wow, bell. Mudano, but see your life. Now me not go to cost you. Cause costing you now waste your pa your man. That your pikin, so your brothers and say, I see your sister. She just still fair. She be fine, sha, but I'll see Sagara. I'll see Sagara. Wa go. I won't die better. Kagbon wega yellow day. No song over the never. Wait till Bini people do you won't talk. May they go down your platform. Because by the time your real identity is exposed, all your friends, when you don't use that, your Infinity, this Saga,